Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Riding on the MT-10. This isn't creepy at all, is it? Well, if you stayed up with the latest CPUspeed news, I got a new helmet. I've been riding a lot of my 650 and having a good time. Little buffeting on the top. I'm gonna do some tweaks. Still gonna do some tweaks with the windscreen, but I did discover that the stock seat that I have on there now is tweaking my hips. I've been going on some long rides and I noticed that. It's not severe pain or discomfort or anything, but it is enough to notice that something is not right. I'm still waiting for my tall seat to come back from Seat Concepts. And once I have that on, then, you know, I'll be okay. But I don't really think it's such a good idea for me to ride the v-strom 650 until I get the tall seat back. That was the crappiest low-speed right turn in the United States at this time. At this time, I just set the record for the worst low-speed right turn on a motorcycle. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. I'd like to thank all my friends and everybody that's helped me get here. Immediately a car pulls out and puts a bunch of dust in my face. Yay! I'm getting the handlebars moved forward. That hasn't even been done yet. And I got the thing, the little winglet for the windscreen. Gonna try that. And already got the bag figured out, so that's okay. Oh, the Atlas grip. I talked to the guy who does the Atlas throttle lock. I gotta send him pictures of the throttle lock for some reason. I don't know why, but it says it's not holding its speed. It's really weird. Ooh, Porsches. I need to get on the freeway, get off this back road. Before the battery dies on me, I want to check, I'm going to test the microphone. It's kind of on the road. I want to check the microphone on the freeway. Because that's the ultimate test, which I think it'll fail, but I mean, microphones don't do that well on the freeway anyway. I think we're closer to our objective back on the freeway. It's also going to be cooler on the freeway. Well, it's fun to get some time on the MT-10. It's been kind of neglected. I really got to clean it.
Next on the Californians.
So I tried one microphone, that didn't work. I tried another microphone, that didn't work. And then I bought a new microphone and I didn't plug it in completely. Now I think it might work. The ultimate test, folks, is on the freeway. We're even going to do this. Look at that. Ooh, now we're all serious. We're serious as now. Just close the wind vent in front of the helmet. Hell yeah. I haven't been down here in ages. Wow. We've incorporated a lot of roundabouts in our town. It's really helped the flow of traffic. And that's your Santa Barbara tip of the week. I think this is the freeway. Nope. Completely lost. There we go.
Just get on the chin and get out of here.
There's your obligatory palm tree. I've got your palm tree in the video there. The obligation has been satisfied. I'm still blinking. All right, let's go. Ooh. Really? Notice this blocks my speedometer. I can't see anything. That's interesting. All right, idea how fast I'm going. I'm sure it's a little bit over the speed limit. I don't know how much. I'm going to slow it down and just go with the flow of traffic. Now, if you're a bike fanatic like I am, every time you buy a bike, I mean, you're always thinking about the next bike you're going to get. And, you know what I'm looking at? Considering the price, you know, how frugal I am, but something that really offers a lot of value for the money compared to something else. I mean, for example, let's say the KTM Super Duke GT as a super touring bike, you know. It's 20 grand. But the new Ninja 1000, wow. It's 12 grand, pretty much does all the same thing. Are we mind putting on? I was gonna say people won't do it, should not. They're all there.